Today marks the official unveiling of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, as well as exciting new information about its specifications. We have plenty of information verified by Ice Universe, and he has released a text detailing the new specifications. He claims that the Fold 5 will use a water drop type hinge and will be waterproof with an IPX8 certification, which means it can withstand being completely immersed in 1.5 meters of water for up to 30 minutes but will not be dust resistant. He also claims that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be 0.2 millimeters smaller than its forerunner, but the dimension hasn't altered. The new water drop type hinge enables the device to fold fully flat, which is where the variations come from, but the exposed width of the Z Fold 5 should stay the same as before. He informs us that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 weighs 254 grams, which is a 9-gram decrease from the Fold 4's 263 grams, and he also says that the exterior display will stay at 6.2 inches, but we will get some new touchscreen technology. According to Aitanyang on Twitter, the water drop hinge in the Galaxy Z Fold 5 requires a lot of development and that current samples are feeble in the particular area, and even a gentle touch on the hinge could cause a problem. There's no need to be concerned here because the purpose of prototypes is to test before mass production starts, so this will no doubt be fixed before the final release. We posted news from Chunbi on Twitter, and he claims that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will have the same camera setup as the S23 Plus and the Fold 4. This camera has a 50-megapixel wide-angle lens, a 10-megapixel zoom lens, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. And this is very disheartening to learn because the Fold series is a little deficient in the camera area, and for such a luxury device, most people expect a camera system comparable to their flagship S-line. What we will see is an enhanced display with smaller borders, greater color fidelity, and a higher peak luminance. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.